Hey, Sarah. Good, Sarah, come back now. Oh, I dropped that. And also you're gonna see we didn't using precision glue, but you need it for your crystal. But also it's gonna come in your treasure box, which is on the press on glue on treasure box. All right, so Kia for 30 seconds. And I have this one, this designs from set 30. Number Chanful 430, I believe. I have it right here in front of me. Right here. Oops, sorry, I took it out. This one right there. We're going to do this, but tomorrow we'll do this. We'll do something in pink, green, and like have colorfuls for is the theme. And I'm gonna polish the rest of the nails. Like if I do 6 nails, then I'll only have 14 nails to like polish on it. So, but it really depends on you if you're doing your clients. Like if you measure them like Sarah does, then you can only doing 10s or 12 maybe. Oh, I like that. Hold on. I have a hard time to pick which one. This one, it looks nice. It's perfect for these nails. Okay, I really want this, but then this one will be look like really cute though. Really depends. Maybe on the other nails I'm gonna do this. Like you mean so you make a whole theme on the set of the nails for your clients. Give it a good press, like firm press on. So then it's transfer all of yours. Like foils completely to the nails. How is that not stay secure? My nails. Hi Queen Shay. I love this foil too. Money bags. Okay, I got that. Let me see. I need to press it more. There you go. Is even missing, that means that I didn't press that hard enough to down to this because it's pressed on and it's keep moving as the tacky is moving on me. There you go. So cute. Oh.
Which number is that for?
This number is number 30th. Really cute. I can't wait because I saw Vicky doing this. She shared with us, and I did quite few of this last time. If you've seen video, I'm really freaking love this one. You know why? Because at first it doesn't get attract to me at all, but when I go closest, we did this one and we did Diamond Dust Pixie, so it's really nice. So you can put in black and white nails, looks cute. And I did, which one? I think I did this one before as well, and it's really stunning. And there's a lot of them like a 3-dimension like HD look. It's look like you're painting. It's way better than you're painting, unless like really pros like artists. But this one, it looks really cool though. And if you imagine it, you're doing with like fusion ink with the green. I'm like about to want to do it for tomorrow, like thinking green and delight, and you put it together and make that like matching nails with this. And this one I was thinking of, if we have a set of yellows, wow, coral yellows, like purple. Oh, here's a nails that we did on the other day. This is number 30th. It's the newest one. And this is the other day I did green whole chromatics art green underneath, and then we have chanterfoils on. We have a neon crystal, so that is the look of the foil. That's one of them. And this one I did yesterday as well with the nails that we did the acrylic. This one we did underneath. So we have the video clip on IGTV, so if you're interested you can watch it. It's really cool. I did the pink acrylic underneath, and then I was using chamfer foil gels and applied the chamfer foil designs on, and then I ombre the yellows on it, so it make it ombre is really nice. And we did crystal placements on this. So hope you enjoyed this one, and I think we have the short clips for you to watch it too. And then it's different. So you know, like maybe in next nails I do like for if you're doing a set for the clients that press on or glue on, you can do like in like a 4 designs, right? On 2 on each. And you can do this one on the other ends. This is really cute. So what do you want to see this one? Do you want it to see like you know what? I'm gonna put a little butterflies in here. How about that? This one is for number 30s. I'm gonna put just little butterflies. It's not gonna be huge, but also the 3-pack of your butterflies, the 3 different kinds, gonna be in yours treasure box for press on and glue on nails. So I am so excited that we can able to do that for you. So hope you really enjoying it. And all right, so if I want to do her on here, maybe I want she to be a little bit brighter. Maybe. There's so many of them. Ooh, now I have a hard time.
Do that on the pink one.
Pink one? Huh? No, I have one. I did have the other one.
I like the bluish. This one. This is cute too.
Was she too big? No? And that little nose?
There's one next to it.
No, right here. See, he's really artsy. I feel like hold on. Where's she at? She's this way? She's this way? Hold on.
They can fly either way, any way you want.
Oh my god, I rip her wings. She can't fly now. I don't know. I don't like her. But okay, I'm survived. You know, I'm like really grateful between being around with Hio, Vicky, and Sarah. I feel like I'm a truly artist. An artist. Sarah, are you still here?
Yeah, she's still here.
You still here? Alright. Do you want some crystals or no? I'm trying to get you all into the crystal. I can't help it. Some crystal? Alright. Condensed glue gel, but just a little bit. I promise I'm not gonna like blink them out, so then you won't be like just a little bit, not much, so we don't take it away from its beautiful like chamfer foils and stickers. You seeing how beautiful you can layer them? You know why is a transfer box? It will be instead of chamfer foils, part of it in there, but then it's gonna be mint in the being your sticky pack, because the sticky is really new, it trendy, is beautiful, and it's super easy. But if you don't have a chamfer foil gels on your hand, you're still able to design so many sets out of that 3-pack. That's we even think for you already. So I'm gonna go ahead and using a no wipe top coat. And top coat it. Well, if you don't want any crystals on this one, this nail gonna be done. But if you want some crystals on, here you go. Let me see what I can use. This AB. My little baby. Who is asked earlier with my nails tutorial on my nails? I forgot, because right before I want to answer, and then we was the video was out. So this I think the tutorials for the nails on YouTube. And if you're searching for Glitz accessory and such, or is Beauty Forevers with Nancy, you should able to see that videos. I think, I don't know, we have it on IGTV yet. I don't think so.
Well, you gotta check because there's a lot.
Yeah, we have hundreds of the different videos.
Yeah,
So
YouTube for sure.
because the reason is like to upload it on IGTV is like is really sometimes it's like it's felt and it doesn't let it. Okay, so I just want a little bit. I don't want too much because then I start bling them out. And
Just one more how to send out a flower.
Oh, who's that say that? Thank you. Did you say that? Hugh, did you say that? Oh, okay.
There you go. You good?
Looks good. Jessica, how are you, sweetie? Thanks for tuning in. Mrs. First Lady. Hello, sweetie, how are you? Oh, one in the center. Thank you. I say, who says that? Oh, good, Jessica. I only have a couple more packages to go and then graduate June 17. Oh, congratulations, Jessica. Oh, Lucy Nails. Thank you so much. This nails, you can see it on, this nail, you can see the Fun Tutorial. It's been 2 weeks. I should do my nails again, huh? Is you can view it on Facebook. I think Facebook it still has the videos, and then YouTube that has that as well. And then we're gonna upload the video, short video clips on that one. I know why we didn't have that one.
But you have to scroll back about 2 weeks, push about like 20.
Facebook?
20 videos.
Yeah, Facebook.
IGTV is a wild ride.
Thank you, Kayla. You want gold nails now, which is that, you know, guess what? That, the foil I'm using is gonna be come into the treasure box for press on and glue on. So this nails is great. So I'm gonna using precision glue here. Just hang on tight for just a second and feel this one to make sure is fill in all the cracks and the gaps. You're gonna see that. I'm gonna show you in your box. You're gonna come with that one, and fill in the gap. And you fill it first before you squeeze anything out. And this will help to fill in all the cracks and the gaps of all the crystals. So then the clients, even they have a press on or glue on nails, they will not catching on their hair or their clothes. I'm really obsessed with this. They're so beautiful.
Right.
Good. Here for 60 seconds. And then we are having one more nails.